that they noticed it is you could be standing in this warehouse and a forklift will go by and you can feel the vibrations in the floor itself as that truck goes by in the warehouse. So they knew that there was a void under there and that this concrete needed to be stabilized before it cracks, breaks, and falls in. So we've drilled a grid pattern in this floor, and we've identified the voids underneath the concrete, which are up to 8 inches. Some are even as much as 12 inches. So we're going to go ahead and inject a special polyurethane. This isn't for raising concrete. It's a very high density polyurethane that has a very slow reaction time. Normally our foam for raising concrete fully expands in under 30 seconds. This material takes a minute and 45 seconds before it's fully expanded. So the reason for that is we want this material to spread, support the concrete without raising it. So we're going to go ahead and run through this grid pattern, get everything injected and supported, and we'll go ahead and time-lapse film that so you can watch. Let's go check it out now. Okay, so that's it. We're all done. It just took us about 2.5 hours. We've injected that floor inside Port King Packing Company. And so the way that this worked is we drilled our grid of holes, and we would start in the middle of a grid on one end, and we would inject our polyurethane until that material would flow out and we would see it at an adjacent hole. So then we would stop injecting, move the injection gun there, and just keep the process going. We would keep injecting in holes and keep pushing the polyurethane to the next hole all the way across the grid so that we knew that we filled the entire space under there. The interesting thing with this job is there's a floor drain in here, and as we were injecting, polyurethane actually started coming through a hole, which was identified in the piping of the hole drain, of the floor drain. So foam started coming through there. We were able to clean the drain out and remove the foam, so it's fine. But it's probably that floor drain has been leaking for years, and that water has more than likely eroded the sub-base under the concrete, which has undermined it and caused a very unstable condition. So we've injected this entire area. It's all done, solidified. We've patched the holes. Everything is good. So these guys are ready to roll tomorrow. And we can't wait to hear from them that they have a nice solid floor when they start running their forklifts across it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.